Today I am going to explain about the International Olympiad of Science. See, this is the book of Olympiad Science Examination, comprehensive book for the preparation of school, state, national and international level Olympiads for class 5th. See what all it contains. Chapter 1, Human Body and the Nutrition. Chapter 2, Plants, Animals, Housing, Soil, Rocks and Minerals, Work, Force, Energy and Simple Machines, Our Environment and Natural Calamities. Next, Our Universe, Light and Sound, Matter, Reasoning and Aptitude. And finally, Model Test Paper 1 and Model Test Paper 2. It also contains the key answers. Let's begin with the chapter 1. See, this is Human Body and Nutrition. This is the chapter 1 for the Olympiad exam. Human body. We already know that the organs of our body work together to perform various functions for the body. A group of organs doing some particular jobs for the body form an organ system. See, we all know that what is a human body and also the organ system. See here, they have given the picture of a boy and also mentioned the parts what all the human body has. See, it shows eyes, fingers, chin, elbow, waist, thigh, knee, ankle, heel, toes, foot, leg, stomach, hand, chest, shoulder, neck, face, ear, forehead and hair. Also here they have given it separately: eye, lips, teeth, tongue, nose and ear. Human body has the following systems performing certain functions. See, what are the systems present in the human body? Respiratory system. Here they have not given in detail because we all studied in our academics. So they have given in brief. Respiratory system is responsible for carrying oxygen from the air to the bloodstream. Oxygen is necessary for the human life. See, like important points they have covered. So we'll go through it. Digestive system. Next comes the digestive system. It breaks the food we eat into simpler forms. After digestion, food is used for producing the energy. Next comes the skeletal system. Skeletal system gives shape to the human body and helps in the movement. Next comes nervous system. Nervous system performs the functions of thinking, smelling, seeing, tasting, etc. See, as we know that we have learned all these systems in detail. I am just going through the points they have mentioned. Circulatory system helps in transportation of oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients and other substances to the various parts of the body. Finally comes the muscular system. Muscular system helps in movements. Means it involves the joints and all. See, skeletal system. It is a framework of bones which gives support to the human body. Adult human skeleton has 206 bones. Different parts of the human skeleton are. See, here they have explained the skeletal system in detail. Okay. Different parts are skull. First one is skull. It contains 22 bones which protects the brain. See, this image is skull. Is it scary? No, right? Little bit scary. Skull consists of 22 bones which protects the brain. Here it has 22 bones which protects our brain. All the bones of skull are immovable except the lower jaw. Means we cannot move any bones in the skull except our lower jaw, which helps in chewing the food. With the help of movable lower jaw, we can talk and eat. In lower and upper jaw, we have teeth for cutting and chewing the food. See, with the help of movement of the lower jaw, we can talk and we can eat the food. What comes next in the skeletal system? It is rib cage. Ribs make a cage of bones around the chest, which is called a rib cage. See, this is the rib cage. It is covers. It is around the chest. Inside this only we find the lungs, heart, etc. It protects our internal organs. Generally, adults have 12 pairs of ribs. See, adults have 12 pairs, means this 1, 2, 3. Like this, we have 12 pairs of ribs. There is a long bone at the center of the chest, which holds the ribs in place, called sternum. See, at the center of chest, there is a long bone, which holds the ribs in place. Means, without any movement, rib is holded by the bone, that is called a sternum. Ribs are attached to the backbone. All these ribs are attached to the backbone, that is spinal. Last two ribs are not attached to the sternum and are known as floating ribs. These floating ribs are attached to the backbone. See, here you can see these two ribs that are not attached to the sternum. This is sternum here. So, but this is attached to the backbone. Okay. They are called the floating ribs. Next is backbone. It is a hollow tube through which spinal cord runs. It is made up of 33 ring-shaped small bones called vertebrae. Backbone is also called as vertebral column. See, you all know how backbone looks like. See, this is a backbone. It is made up of 32 ring-shaped bones. See, these are the ring-shaped bones. It is called as vertebrae. What comes next in the skeletal system? It is limbs. All human beings have two pairs of limbs. The forelimbs, that is arms, and the hind limbs, that is legs. Both forelimb and hind limb is made up of 30 bones each. Thigh bone or femur bone is the longest bone in the body. See, there are two pairs of limbs, forelimbs and hind limbs. See, here they have given the forelimbs and hind limbs of the different creatures. Not these are all human forelimbs and hind limbs. Only these two are human body, forelimbs and hind limbs, and also legs. These two are not. The smallest bone of our body, called stapes, is present in the ear. See, here they have mentioned about the longest bone in the body, that is thigh bone, or it is also called as femur bone, and the smallest bone is called as stapes, that is present in the ear. Inside the ear it is present. See, what are the functions of the skeletal system? See, now I will wind up. Functions of skeletal system will be done in the next video. Thank you.